2 days before her birthday, Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte fulfilled this April 22 promise. Mayor Sara announced the winning districts. Each winning district received 2,000 boxes of chickenjoy with rice. The Davao Mayor expressed hope there will be no additional COVID-19 cases in the winning districts. The contest, however, drew criticism. Some netizens thought it was a local government project. The city government of Davao had to issue this clarification.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.